What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And for those of you who are new to this channel, my name is Ryan. So thank you all for joining. And for those of you who have been with me for a long time, thank you guys for returning. Now on this episode of King Customs, we have a question from a viewer and we are going to help him out the best we can. So for those of you who jump in the comment section all the time and help out all these other viewers, please do so if you can, and also make sure you hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Much appreciated. So let's jump right in. Alrighty guys, so here we have a question from Juan Mendoza, and his question is, I have a 2002 Z71 Avalanche. It is great, and I put in a Jensen navigation and a backup camera. Sick. I am having a brake, ABS, and traction light problem when I hit any bumps. Any ideas of what can be causing this? 178,000 miles and it runs great. Okay, Juan, so I have jotted down a few notes for you, and this is what I think the possible issues could be. So let's get right into it. So Juan, you have a 2002 Z71 Avalanche. You're getting brakes, ABS, and traction lights when hitting bumps. Cool. So the first thing I want you to do is scan for any codes. Go scan it, make sure if everything's all right, scan it, see what's going on. Second, I want you to check your wheel speed sensors for any cuts or breaks in the wire. Third, check your alternator with a meter. Make sure that it's measuring out the right outputs and, you know, everything is up and running with that. But lastly, going back to the wheel speed sensors, I also want you to check your connections. Make sure that the connections is great on the wheel speed sensors, because majority of the times, and I've seen this with lots of other vehicles out there, whenever the wheel speed sensor is somewhat not connected properly and you hit bumps or you hit anything in the road, it'll disconnect, causing the light to come on and then connect right back in. And those are problems that I see tons of times on GM products. I've seen it on a few other Toyotas and stuff here and there. Just go under, check each wheel speed sensor, and just double click it in, make sure it's there. There are stuff online that you can actually check the outputs of each sensor, and if you have a meter, you can check, or if you have a friend who does mechanical work, they can check it for you. And yeah, so just double check, make sure all your wheel speed sensors are set in place, make sure none of them are popped out away from the hub, and yeah, because most likely that can be causing you issues. Also, just for, you know, just for fun and jokes and stuff, just check your wheel bearings also, just to put that out there. Not likely, but just check. But wheel speed sensors is definitely a must. That is one thing I'll urge you to check. So Juan, I hope this really helped you. Now, anybody else in the comment section below, please make sure that you leave a comment and help out Juan if you have any other ideas, because honestly, I can't think of everything all the time, and I really love when you guys come in and help me out and help other viewers out. It's building this family closer, and that's something that I really want to do on this channel, to build a really strong support system for all of us on any vehicle, not just the Avalanche, even though that has a big following, but for any vehicle out there, for anything that anyone does. So I really appreciate every single one of you all that watch. I don't care if it's only 10 of you guys that watch or 30,000 of you guys that watch. I appreciate every single one of you, and I appreciate the fact that each one of you guys takes your time to watch all my videos and stuff. And like, you have no idea how much I really appreciate that. It goes a long way. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this. Please make sure that you hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm for me, and I will see y'all for the next episode. Peace.